Consortium and Mancho BBC arrested for acts of terrorism in connection with the socio-political unrest in the northwest and southwest regions has opened at the Yaounde military tribunal, with all the accused having pleaded not guilty as charged. They are being defended by a college of 10 lawyers led by Barrister Bernard Achumuna. After the pleadings of the accused, the case has been adjourned for the 23rd of March 2017 to enable the prosecution to produce its list of witnesses. Ashwin Yanti was there.
The three persons, Barrister Agbobala Felix, Dr. Fontem Neba, and Mancho BBC, have been charged at the Yaounde Military Tribunal, jointly and severally on various counts, including terrorism, inciting civil war and an uprising, fomenting a revolution, group rebellion, hostility against the country, absence of a national identity card, and the contempt of public officials. All offences punishable by the 2014 law on the suppression of terrorism and various sections of the Penal Code. But all three accused have entered a plea of not guilty to the charges. Before they could plead, there was a disagreement over the absence of an English language version of the charges, as the verbatim translation did not seem to have satisfied the expectations of the defense. But the trial went ahead when the defense lawyers accepted to accommodate what they considered an approximate interpretation. Mancho BBC came to court in a traditional attire commonly called Bamenda dress, while Agbobala and Dr. Fontem were in dark suits, white shirts, and their characteristic eyeglasses. They looked well kept and relaxed, smiling and chatting by the side. Intense debate started when the defense lawyers, a team of 10, led by Barrister Ben Achumuna and Barrister Karim Khan from Britain, made preliminary remarks, picking issues with the venue of the trial in Yaounde instead of Buea or Bamenda. The fact that the accused were standing trial for expressing an opinion that federalism is a better form of decentralization, and they concluded that in their opinion, the state is not seeking justice, but only desires to teach the accused a lesson, to dissuade other people, or to set an example. In their reply, the prosecution, led by Major Nzie Piero Narcisse, repudiated these arguments as divisionary tactics, and said that their action was in conformity with the law. Another moment of tension came when the prosecution presented an incomplete list of witnesses, claiming that they are still identifying other witnesses. The defense jumped on this and labored that it was not normal to have arrested the accused and bring them to court when the prosecution had not completed its investigations as required by law. These exchanges brought a lot of commotion, with the judge shouting, "Order, order, order," to calm the full and restive courthouse. The presiding judge, Colonel Mbezwa, assisted by two assessors, had no